with love, Dhan and Kaji. Since today we have all gathered here in the Samagam for the seeking the blessing of his Sadguru, since for the past few minutes we were listening to the numerous Sant who have come up and blessed us with their thought. Since there was saying that कि सजदे भी करूं शिकवे भी करूं ये भक्ति का दस्तूर नहीं, भक्ति है नाम समर्पण का, इसमें शर्तें मंजूर नहीं. Since many a times I think that if I attain this Gyan, this Brahma Gyan, then why I have feeling of its sorrow and suffering in my life. Since Gurumat answers that there may be lack of faith in the whole is Nirankar. This mighty, if we have not implemented this Gyan, this Brahm Gyan, this is spiritual knowledge into our life is fully sorrow and unsatisfying in our life. Since now the question arises that what is faith? Faith is like a glue that binds the devotee of the true master. Since if we take an example of electric circuit, it contains the battery, a conducting wire, a key and a bulb. Since until and unless we inserted that key into the circuit will be not a completed and bulb will be not a glow. Similarly, if we have in this Nirankar with us Gyan, we have obtained but we have not inserted that key of Fethaned and spiritual bulb will be not a glow. Since if we want to build a faith and in the Almighty, we have all to do Seva, Simran, Satsang. Since he is saying to Hardev Bani कि प्रभु को अर्पण करने वाले रहते नहीं उदास हैं, जो भी होगा अच्छा होगा, उनको रहता विश्वास है कि प्रभु को अर्पण करने वाले नित्य आनंद उठाते हैं. कहे हरदेव की सदा नाम की मस्ती में चूर रहते हैं. From that day we have unwavering faith in this Nirankar. On that day our devotion will become meaningful and successful. We will get freedom from the cycle of 84 lakh birth and death and attain to the supreme soul. Sant, at last I conclude with this age कि तेरी नियायत पे जब भी नज़र मेरी जाती है मेरे दाता, कि तेरी नियायत पे जब भी मेरी नज़र जाती है मेरे दाता, मेरे मौला मेरी आंखें भर आती हैं. मेरे हाथ दुआ में उठने से पहले मेरी झोली भर जाती है, मेरी झोली भर जाती है. सनसेज विथ लव, धन निरंकार जी.